What's up, guys? My name's Aaron Bailey. Today I'm going to take you on one of my long runs. I'm currently training to run a marathon. I mean, within the next year, maybe 6 months. I'm really trying to work up to it. I ran my first half marathon in September of 2022, so that was like about probably 9 to 10 months ago, something like that. And recently I ran another 13, and then I ran a 14. The 14 was pretty hard, so I'm really just trying to figure out my nutrition, and I got new shoes, these Hoka shoes to help my feet and stuff like that. So I'm really just trying to tweak those last things and just get more and more long runs in. The last time I went for the 14-mile run, a little bit of an overshare probably, but like I had Hammer Gel. So this is the brand that I used for my first half marathon, Huma Chia Energy Gels. These ones, completely good. I tried another brand, Hammer Gels, because of Cody Co. I don't know if any of you watch him. Cody trains. I could probably link it above or in the description. But he recommended Hammer Gels, which, to each his own, and I don't blame him for this at all, obviously. But I got like wicked bad diarrhea basically halfway through a 14-mile run. All of a sudden I was like, I gotta poop, and then I held it the whole time, but then I got home and I just didn't feel good for like 2 hours. And I don't know if it was just the Hammer Gels, it might have been like other reasons, who knows. But I'm gonna be using these Huma gels again because I've had success with these before, and today I'm going to be hitting 13 miles at least. Maybe if I'm feeling good, I'll do 15, push it a little bit and get a new PR. But like I said last time, it kind of is a little demotivating knowing that the 14 mile I felt like complete crap after. But like I said, today my nutrition was better. I carved up a little bit more. I made sure I drank enough water, and I'm about to use the bathroom before I go on this run. So yeah, I'll check back in a second. And we're off. Got the watch going, got the music going. We vibing, whoa, geez, we vibing, boy. All right, a quick little check-in. I'm 2 miles in, feeling really good. Let's see, my average pace right now is a 7:10. When I did my first half marathon, the pace was like 8:20, so I'm doing pretty quick right now. I'm not even going for speed, I'm going for distance, but either way, that's mile 2. It's funny, right now I'm trying to time out my water, because the first half marathon I did, I had to pee like 5 miles in, but I didn't want to mess up my time, so I just kept running, and my bladder hurt the whole time. Not like super painful, but it was definitely uncomfortable. And so because of that, I didn't like take any of the waters at the water stands. So by the end, I was pretty dehydrated. So now I'm just trying to make sure I don't drink too much water. And in about, oh, I just saw a turtle. In about 1 mile, when I get to 4.5, I'll take one of my first gels, and I'll probably wash it down with some water. So yeah. 4.75 miles. I still haven't taken a gel pack because, I don't know, I kind of felt a little poopy a second ago, and I don't want to mess up my stomach because I'm feeling good for the run. And I just got to this section of this trail that's all dirt. See, so this is way easier on my feet, so I get a little bit of a like relaxing part of the run right now to kind of recover for later. I'll probably take my first gel when I turn around at some point, so okay. I don't know if you can see it. I'm at 6.7, so I just turned around. Half marathon, 13.1. Hopefully I timed that right or whatever, but time for my first. This flavor is mango. Everything's doing pretty good except for my right foot. Kind of feels like it has a callus or something. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get this fucking thing open. Also, these things are so hard to drink. This is good. It cuts inside your mouth. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this. I'll check in a little bit. This shit's like Nosh, like Fast and Furious type shit. By the way, I started, like I said, at like a 7-minute mile pace. Now I'm at like an 8:45. Kind of slowing down on the back end. I've been running for 55 minutes. It's weird because when the hour comes up, it just resets to 0, which I need to figure out how to change that because whatever, but in the app it shows 2 hours or whatever. I'm right around 8.5 miles. So I have about a little over 4.5 left. This is right about where it's starting to get like a little bit, I don't know, hard. Not hard, but I'll be able to do it. But this is when it starts getting like, okay, I just don't want to do this anymore. But it's fine. All right. I'm only about 9 miles. And I'm just thinking, I cannot wait to get back to my car and have this seltzer water I have in there. It's gonna be so cold. It's gonna be so spicy. I can't fucking wait. All right, so I'm about 10 miles in. So I'm gonna have my second energy pack. This one is strawberry. Hold on, I'm gonna open this shit. That shit fucking slaps. All right, I'm at 10.85, almost 11 miles. Oh my gosh, I'm so thirsty. I have my little thing, but it's not cold water. I want some freezing water. I want my seltzer water. Oh, almost done. All right, I'm at mile 12.1. So I have exactly 1 mile left in the home stretch. Maybe I'll go faster than my first half marathon time, we'll see. But yeah, we're almost there. Again, I cannot wait for that fucking seltzer water. It's so spicy. Whew. That shit slaps. Anybody else dizzy? Oh, always take these selfies after I get done with that'll be going on the gram. Dude, this shit's so spicy and good. Holy shit! Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Woo! It's like 85 out. So it's... Jeez, I just puked in my mouth. It's, yeah, it's pretty hot. Oh, last month... Well, actually... So I'll put the stats on the screen. Actually, this is pretty cool, because I can look at my... app right now to see what it says. Where the fuck are my headphones? It's funny because halfway through running, I was just like sick of listening to music or podcasts or anything. I just like ran without anything. So let's see. So right now it's loading. So my first half marathon, I did it in an hour and 49 minutes, and I believe this one was like an hour and 43. So I was hoping to go for like, 14, 15 miles, but I didn't. But I figure if I got a faster, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. If I get a faster half marathon time, which I think I did, then that's a PR as well. So let's see. Yeah, so I got it, 7:55 pace. So I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, I did it in an hour and 43 minutes and 49 seconds. My average mile pace was 7:55, and it was an 8:20 for my first half marathon. So that's faster. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I believe right now I'm at 681, unless it went up since I checked. I'm trying to get to 700 pretty soon. Please watch all my other videos, like this one, comment what you want me to do next for like fitness stuff, and have a great life. Yeah.